Space work to be completed. English space RR12, page 18 until 19. Page 18. Hidden objects. Look carefully at page 18. With your finger, find the 6 hidden objects. With your pencil, circle the 6 hidden objects. Page 19. Look-alike letters. With your eyes, look at the letter in box 1. What is the sound of the letter in box 1? What animals reads a, a? With your eyes, look at the other letters in row 1. With your finger, point to the letters in row 1 that are the same as the first letter. With your pencil, circle the letters that are the same as the first letter. With your eyes, look at the letter in box 2. What is the sound of the letter in box 2? What animals reads t, t, t? With your eyes, look at the other letters in row 2. With your finger, point to the letters in row 2 that are the same as the first letter. With your pencil, circle the letters that are the same as the first letter. With your eyes, look at the letter in box 3. What is the sound of the letter in box 3? What animals reads f, f, f? With your eyes, look at the other letters in row 3. With your finger, point to the letters in row 3 that are the same as the first letters. With your pencil, circle the letter that are the same as the first letter. With your eyes, look at the letter in box 4. What is the sound of the letter in box 4? What animals reads h, h, h? With your eyes, look at the other letters in row 4. With your finger, point to the letters in row 4 that are the same as the first letter. With your pencil, circle the letters that are the same as the first letter. With your eyes, look at the letter in box 5. What is the sound of the letter in box 5? What animals reads d, d, d? With your eyes, look at the other letters in row 5. With your finger, point to the letters in row 5 that are the same as the first letter. With your pencil, circle the letters that are the same as the first letter. Space work to be completed. Science Space RR12, page 8. 5 senses and body parts review. Listen carefully. Boys and girls, we have learned about tasting, smelling, seeing, hearing, and touching. You will remember that these are called the 5 senses. We taste with our, we smell with our, we see with our, we hear with our, we touch with our. God gave us bodies that can do many wonderful things. God gave us strong feet and legs to help us walk and run. Our heart is the part of our body that works all the time. Our soul is the part of us that thinks. Sometimes we think happy thoughts. Sometimes we think sad thoughts. Our spirit is the part of us that believes Jesus died on the cross so that we could be forgiven for our sins. Look carefully at the pictures on page 8. With your pencil, draw a line from the mouth to something that tastes good. Repeat step 4, making appropriate changes in wording for remaining senses. For eyes, for nose, for ears, and also for fingers. With your pencil, circle the pictures of a real heart. With your pencil, circle the picture that shows how we look when we think happy thoughts. With your pencil, draw a line under the picture that shows how Jesus died for us. Space work to be completed. Social Studies Space RR12, page 20 until 21. Page 20. Community Helpers Review. Listen carefully. We have learned about so many neighborhood helpers. We have doctors, nurses, dentists, and ambulance driver who help take care of our bodies. Bankers, lawyers, and postmen are neighborhood helpers too. We are thankful for policemen and firemen who help us save. Farmers, bakers, and mechanics are others important neighborhood helpers. The mayor of our city and the president of our country are very important neighborhood and country leaders. We want to pray for our mayor and president. We want to pray for all our neighborhood helpers. With your blue crayon, color the policeman's hat. With your purple crayon, color the farmer's hat. With your red crayon, color the fireman's hat. With your yellow crayon, color the baker's hat. Page 21, Community Helpers Review. With your brown crayon, color the doctor's tool. With your orange crayon, color the nurse's cap. With your green crayon, color the postman's hat. With your black crayon, color the picture of one of our presidents.